Buckle up for a smoother drive. iOS 26.2 is revolutionizing CarPlay with upgrades that put more control in your hands, but is it a game changer for everyone? Imagine gliding down the highway with your iPhone's features right at your fingertips on the car's display. That's the magic of CarPlay, Apple's innovative system that turns your vehicle's infotainment screen into an extension of your phone, keeping you connected without fumbling for your device. Now, with iOS 26.2 on the horizon, set for release soon, based on the latest updates from 9 to 5 Mac, it's getting even more intuitive, packing in enhancements for apps like Reminders, Podcasts, and Apple Music. But the real spotlight is on two CarPlay-specific tweaks that could redefine your commuting routine. Stick around to see how these changes might elevate your driving experience, or spark a debate about what's best for safety. First off, let's talk widgets. If you're new to CarPlay, think of widgets as handy, bite-sized snippets of information or controls from your favorite apps, like weather updates or music playlists, displayed right on your car's screen for quick glances. Introduced in iOS 26, these widgets were a big step forward, but iOS 26.2 takes them further, at least for some lucky drivers. But here's where it gets controversial. Apple is boosting the number of visible widget stacks for select vehicles. For instance, tech journalist Tom Warren from The Verge shared on X that his car now displays 3 stacks in iOS 26.2, doubling from the 2 in iOS 26.1. I've chatted with fellow readers who've noticed the same upgrade, their dashboards feeling less cramped with more at-a-glance info. Yet, others report no change at all, leaving us wondering if it's tied to specific car models or hardware specs. Apple hasn't spilled the beans on the exact criteria yet, but fingers crossed for more details upon release. Regardless, for those who see the jump, this means juggling multiple widgets, say, navigation, music controls, and reminders, without scrolling endlessly, potentially making multitasking on the road a breeze. Could this be a safety win by reducing the need for taps, or does it risk overload? It's a hot topic. Moving to our second update, the Messages app in CarPlay. iOS 26 brought exciting additions, like tapbacks, those fun reactions you know from texting, now available in the car, and pinned conversations, which let you keep important chats front and center. Pinned conversations are super useful if you chat frequently with family or work during drives. They stay at the top, so you don't lose them in the mix of other messages. And this is the part most people miss. Apple seems to have realized that not every car setup benefits from this feature, especially in vehicles with smaller screens where pinned chats might gobble up precious space. Enter iOS 26.2's game changer, a new setting to toggle off pinned conversations entirely. To do it, dive into the CarPlay settings, accessible from your car's display, hunt for pinned conversations, and flip the switch. Boom, your messages revert to showing the latest chats first, just like the old days, giving you a cleaner, more straightforward view. It's a subtle tweak, but for drivers of compact cars, it could mean the difference between a cluttered screen and one that's easy on the eyes. Beginners, this is all about personalization. CarPlay is designed to adapt to you, not the other way around. Now, here's a thought-provoking angle. Is Apple's approach here a sign of listening to users, or is it admitting a design flaw? Some might argue that pinned conversations enhance efficiency for power users, while others see them as a distraction on tiny displays. What do you think? Should Apple prioritize customization options like this, even if it means more settings to tweak, or should they aim for one-size-fits-all simplicity? Drop your opinions in the comments. Do you love having more control, or does it complicate things? If you're already on iOS 26.2, have you spotted those extra widget stacks popping up in your CarPlay? Share your experience below, it could help others troubleshoot. Finally, while we're geeking out on iOS upgrades, don't forget to kit out your setup with top-notch accessories. Here are some standout picks to elevate your iPhone game, especially for car enthusiasts. AirPods Pro 3, grab them now for just $219, slashed from $249, perfect for hands-free calls and immersive listening on the go. Imagine crystal clear audio without the cord tangles. 10-year AirTag battery case 2-pack, keep track of your keys or wallet effortlessly with these long-lasting holders. MagSafe car mount for iPhone. Secure your phone magnetically on your dashboard for stable, wireless charging, ideal for CarPlay compatibility. 100W USB-C fast charging power adapter. Power up your devices in a flash, whether you're at home or on a road trip. AirTag 4-pack, now only $65, down from $99. Expand your tracking network affordably, great for monitoring bags or bikes during adventures. FTC disclosure. We earn a commission through affiliate links for purchases made via these recommendations. For more on our policies, check out our About page.